Now, Delhi schools, which were closed earlier this month due to increasing air pollution in the national capital, reopened for physical classes on Saturday. Ironically, just as schools will be closing for the winter vacations and amidst an uptick in Omicron variants.
Students returning to classrooms and playgrounds after a 3 weeks break. Schools in Delhi NCR were reopened after being shut down over COVID concerns. For 4 days in November, only to be shut down again over pollution concerns.
I'm very happy because this online class में हमारी पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाती थी.
I think every one of us, all of my friends, everyone look forward to coming to school because I don't think there's any environment that can substitute what we get in school.
When we come to school, we can directly come to the teacher, we can talk to them, we can crack jokes.
The opening of schools has also meant a resumption of education for many students facing digital divide.
जब कोविड आया था तो ऑनलाइन क्लास में हमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी, जैसे वाईफाई नहीं होता था या फिर हमारी जो वॉइस होती थी एक दूसरे को पहुंच नहीं पाती थी और हम ढंग से कम्युनिकेट भी नहीं कर पाते थे टीचर और हमारे साथ. ऑनलाइन क्लास में एक तो हमारे पास टाइम टू टाइम नेट नहीं होता था. अगर किसी के घर में वाईफाई है तो लाइट चला जाने के बाद हम वो वाईफाई भी यूज नहीं कर पाते.
The decision has brought respite to students as well as teachers.
बहुत अच्छी खबर है, हम स्वागत करते हैं. हम सभी टीचर्स इस बात के लिए वेट कर रहे थे, हम इंतजार कर रहे थे कि कब ये आएगा, कब एयर क्वालिटी इंप्रूव होगा.
The air quality, however, remains in very poor to poor category in Delhi NCR. According to SAFAR, PM 2.5 in Delhi remained at 303, very poor category. In Gurugram, PM 2.5 remained at 317, very poor category. In Noida, PM 2.5 remained at 286, poor category. Ironically, schools are now reopening just as the winter vacation sets in, and while we are seeing an uptick in Omicron cases. In a school in Navi Mumbai, a cluster of COVID emerged after 18 students tested positive for COVID.
What happened is a parent of one of these students who was studying in standard 11, he came from Qatar, after which he and his family underwent the test. While the parents were tested negative, the student was tested positive, and the day the result came out, he was at the school, and after that there were tests happening. First, students of standard 11th were tested, after that the students from standard 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, they were tested, and as of now 18 students have tested positive.
The number of cases have been rising in Delhi after 10 new cases of Omicron were detected on Friday. While the reopening of a school has brought cheers to many students, it also has increased responsibility of the government as well as the school administrations. So while the school administrations will have to strictly implement COVID appropriate behavior to ensure safety of the children, and the Delhi government now has to take some concrete steps to reduce air pollution so that children are safe no matter where they are. With camera person Sanjay Kaushik, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.